Hello everyone, today class we see how to design of full subtractor. Already we seen about how to design of subtractor. So in of subtractor is we have two input and two output. So here we use three input. Okay, so this is the block diagram for full subtractor. So A, B and B in is the borrow in and D is the difference and B out is the borrow out. Okay, so next this is the truth table and input for each input what will be the output value difference and borrow. Okay, this is logical expression for difference. So D equal to A XOR B XOR B in is the logical expression. For borrow is the B in and A XOR B and or A not A and B. Okay, so this is the expression. Now we check this with Xilinx ISC 14.7. Okay, we design the full subtractor in ISC 14.7. So this is the project navigator. Here just in file just click new project and give the file name full subtractor. After given the file name just click next and here we are going to use family, device, FPGA device and speed and which language we are going to use. For this design I'm going to use VHDL language. If you are going to use Verilog means just select Verilog, otherwise select VHDL. Click next and finish. You create the file. Inside file we want to create the new source, so just right click and give new source. Inside the new source give the new source name. Okay, here we going to use the input and output name. Okay, we're going to give input and output name. So already if you seen the A, B and B in the input, A, B, B in, D, B out is output. So we change the direction of D and B out to out. Okay, so we going only single bit, so we don't want to use the MSB and LSB. Just click next and finish. So we create, here we going to design logical function. Okay, so just give equal to, if we check the logical expression for difference is A XOR B XOR B in, A XOR B XOR B in. Next we are going to use for the B out. If you check for the B out is not A and B. Okay, not A and B, not A and B okay. Next or, so or not A and B or B and B in. So this is the expression. So going to develop B in which theme is or not A and RT and B, or P and B in. So check whether what we developed is right or wrong. So just save and check the syntax. So if any error means, then red color mark will become. If there is no any error means, then green color will become. So there is no any error. Let me check the RTL schematic. So we came to know in RTL schematic is circuit diagram what we designed. Okay. So RTL schematic is running. So this is circuit diagram of the full adder. If you check with this one means this diagram, logic circuit diagram will be this one, A and B XOR and R. So let's check how much LUTs we are using. So using two LUTs. Inside you see the LUTs means schematic diagram, equation, truth table and K map we came to know here also. After that we check the design summary. So we using two LUTs, 5 input output, and delay will be the 7.824 nanosecond. So next we check the power. The power will be in the place and route section. Just click the analyze power distribution. So implement design will be run. After completion of the process, the expert analyzer will be open and show the supply power, static supply power. So translate is over. Now map is running. So now map is over. Now place and route is running. So here the place and route file will be generated. After that analyze power distribute will be run. After completion of this process, the expert analyzer window will be open and show the power distribution report. So now expert analyzer window is opening. So this is the X power analyzer window. So we are using 0.060 watt. So next we can check the simulation. For that we create the test bench. To create this test bench, that right click and give the new source and click VHDL test bench and give the file name. Create the file name Subtractor -tbin. Like this only you want to give the file name for test bench. Click next and finish. After finish, we want to, here we will give the input and clock signal. So we having 3 input, A, B in, and give the time period. Next A 0, B 0, B in 1. Okay. 0 0 0 0 0 1, like that we want to give. 0 1. So next, like that we want to give the input and time player. After completion we want to save and run simulate behavior model. After completion of running, the simulation window will be open. So there is error here. After completion of this simulation behavior window model, the simulation window will be open. So here we check the output of the full subtractor. If you check this input with the truth table, means exact output will be generated. Okay, so here we design the full subtractor in VHDL model in the Xylene 14.7 ISC software, and we check the area, power and delay, and also we seen the RTL schematic and also how to create test bench also we seen, and we see the output of the simulation. Okay, thank you.